it out. Oh, dude. This is not my idea of fun, dude. Fuck. Oh. All right. Let's put. Please. We're gonna put. Oh! Oh! Alright, we're gonna play a game. It's called Would You Rather. Would you rather lick my body or have a nice treat? I'll take that as have a nice treat. Okay. I don't have any treats. Oh! Alright. Nope. It's time for a serious talk, dude. Alright. I need to ask you a serious question. No, don't do that. What are you doing? Once you're done, let me know. Can you please look at me when I'm talking to you? Like, I'm just trying to... Okay. Who should I ask out on a date tomorrow? Know who my true love is. And it's all thanks to you. I know now. You opened my eyes. You know who my true love is? It's you, doggy. Don't look at me when I tell you you're my true love, please. I'm alone in this world.